To pay with PayPal on Zalando. Start by typing Zalando into your web browser's search bar. Then click on the Zalando.com link. You will see a selection of flags, allowing you to choose the country you want to use Zalando in. Once you've selected your country, you'll have access to the Zalando website. The website is divided into sections such as women, kids, and your account. Click on Your Account to log in or sign in using your email and password. After signing in, select an item, choose a size, and add it to your bag. Proceed to checkout, where you'll find the payment options. Under Payment Methods, you'll see the option to pay with PayPal. By selecting this option, you can link your PayPal account and complete the payment. During checkout, you'll see the payment option. And once you've finished, your payment will be processed.